Hello children, with the help of today's experiments, you will learn about the concept of float and sink. For this, we just need spoon, salt, some water, one egg and one orange. First of all, let's see that in what all conditions orange float in water and in what all conditions it sinks. So there is a so let's just see first whether this orange with peels will float or sink. So let's just simply put into this glass of water. As you can see, it's floating. Now take this orange out and remove its peel. See, I've removed peels from all the side, but from this side and from this side, basically from the opening, I've kept these peels as it is. So now let's put this orange again into the same glass of water. Now as you can see, this orange is not floating and it's not sink as well. It's on the surface like a fish. Now again take out and remove peel from these two sides as well. And now again dip into the same glass of water. Now as you can see, it sinks. So basically it's absolutely opposite to our misconception that because of the peels this orange is heavy in weight and this will float, but the result and the observation is exactly opposite, because in the peel of orange there are many air pores, and in these pores, basically these pores will make this orange light in weight. Because of that air blanket, this remains light in weight as ice. Now I have another thing with me, that is an egg. So let's dip this egg into the same glass. This egg sink because of its weight. Now what I can do to make it float, I'll add salt in this glass. Let's see how much amount of salt is enough to make this egg float. So let's just dissolve one spoonful of salt first. Put this egg again into this water. See, now it's floating because of the density of water. So now since the density of water increases, so egg is floating on the surface of water. So this way you can keep experimenting and learn different ways to make things float and sink in water.